Okay students, let's start the further explanation. Chapter number 1, Standard 12. While I was wondering about it all, M. Hamel mounted his chair and, in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me, said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alex and Lorien. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive." So here it is informs to us that I means the author. Author wondering about all the thing. Why? That people, it means the town people sit in the classroom while there is a too much silence in the classroom. M. Hamel sit in his chair and he felt himself very grave, it means painful, and in a soft tone he informed, "My children, this is the last lesson that I am teaching you, because the order comes from Berlin to teach only German in the school of the Alex and the Lorien, and you have a new teacher. He will come tomorrow, and it is your last French lesson. So from tomorrow onwards, you will learn only Germany language. So it is my request that all who are present in the class should be attentive." What a thunderclap these words were to me. Thunderclap, here it is a mentions about the surprised. The author felt himself very surprised, such a shocking thing, by listening the words of the M. Hamel. Oh, the branches, that was what they had put up at the town hall. The here it is a mention about the branches, it means about the sadness. He felt himself very sad because now he understood, it means the author understood, that why in the middle of the town people gathered nearby the notice board and what the notice put there. So he can understand now. Next, my last French lesson. Why? I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lesson, for seeking birds' eggs, or going sliding on the Saar. So here it is a mentions about that the author thinks that I still not learning the French language. I should never learn any more. I not learning it more. It means I do not have the more practice of the my language. Here it is a mention about I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lesson. The author felt very sorry that he did not learn it properly, and whenever the teacher taught to them, the author seeking birds, eggs, and the related to the sliding of the Saar. Saar is one of the river. My books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry, my grammar and my history of the sense, were old friends now that could not give up. So here it is a mention about the books related to the grammars, history of the sons. For a few seconds ago, those books he compared here as a nuisance. He compared here it is about mention the heavy to carry. But now they become a friend, and the author could not give up. And M. Hamel too. M. Hamel also not want to give up it. He did not give up, did not leave the school, the books, etc. The idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Cranky here it is a mention about the rule. So the idea of that tomorrow the new teacher come, tomorrow the German language will teach, that idea the author forget about the behavior, the rude behavior and the ruler of the teacher. It means M. Hamel. Poor man. It was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes, and now I understand why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the room. So here it is a mention about that. Now I understand why. What is the reason that M. Hamel wore a beautiful clothes? What is the reason that the old people they sat in the classroom? Because they are giving the honor, they are giving the respect to M. Hamel. It was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school more. It was their way of thinking of our master for his 40 years of faithful service and for showing their respect for the country that was there no more. So here it is a mention about that the old people felt themselves that they did not go to school, and now they are giving a tribute, they are giving a honor because the M. Hamel completed the 40 years faithful service in the same place and he served the nation, and for giving him a respect that the people gathered into the classroom. Next paragraph. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule for the participle, all thoughts very loud and clear and without one mistake. So finally, now the turn the teacher called the author. Here it is a mention about I heard my name and it was my turn to recite. I want to speak without a mistake related to the rules of the participle in a loud and clear tone without a mistake. But I mixed up on the first verse and stood there, holding on my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. But when he tried to speak the answer, he mixed up all the thing. He confused. And finally he stood, holding my desk. My heart beats faster. And here it is a mention about I do not have dare to look up into the eyes of the M. Hamel. Next paragraph. I heard M. Hamel say to me, I would not scold you, little friends. You must feel bad enough. See how it is. Every day we have to say to ourselves, wow, I have a plenty of time. I have learned it tomorrow. And now you see where we have come out. So here it is a mention about the M. Hamel said that I will not scold you, little friends. It means the name of the student. You do not feel bad for yourself. Here it is a mention about the thinking of the M. Hamel that we try to escape from the responsibility. We thinking about that we have a lot of time to learn it, and we carry forward the same thing tomorrow. Now look at the thing what happened. Oh, that's the great trouble with the Alzec. She puts off the learning till tomorrow. Now those fellow out there will have a right to say to you, how is it? So because we carry forward our responsibility on the next day, so look the thing what happened with the city Alzec. Now they means the German country have a right, and they conduct our things. Next here it is a mention about how it, is it you pretend to be the Frenchman, and yet you can neither speak nor write your own language. So here the M. Hamel said that as a French, but as a French people, you never speak about it, even you never write about it. But you are not the worst, poor little French. We have all a great deal to reproach ourselves with. So here it is a mention about that it is not your fault. We are not on the worst, little French. We have all the great deals to complete our things. Thank you, students.